Good afternoon, all the students. Let me see a new topic in a grammar, that is the verb. Now, what is the verb? Verb that shows the action words or action verb that tell the subject of a sentence does. In a sentence, if particular person is doing such kinds of action, that is the verb. Okay. There are so many examples which comes under the verb. Writing, reading, running, jumping, okay, catching, because all these are the action words. Action words are comes under the action verbs. Okay, see, we have the examples also. A verb is a word that shows action. A verb is a word that is shows the action. Jumping girl, what she's doing, she's jumping. That is jumping her action. So it is a verb. The baby sleeps. Sleep. What's the baby action? Baby sleeps, sleeping. So that is the baby action. A man eats a burger. Eat, eating. What's the man action? Eating. So this is the verb. Okay, all the action words are called a verb. Okay, Nita is writing. Writing, it's an action. So it includes in a verb. Sandeep going to the school. Sorry, Sandeep walk towards the school. So walk is an action. Okay. So that is also verb. All right. Nita drink the water. Nita drinks the water. So drink, drinking, she drinking. That means her action is drinking. So that is a verb. Okay. Kavita is walking here and there. Walking is an action. Okay. Kavita is fighting with her elder sister. So fighting, it's a action word. Okay, understood? Yes, my brother is sleeping. My sister Kavita is sleeping. So sleeping is the action word. All right. Now, see here. We are completed and we are discussed already about the action verbs. That means the action verb. What are the action verbs? Now we will see what are the non-action verbs. What are the non-action verbs? Non-action verbs mean, students, where there are no movements, no physical action is going on, but then two such kinds of words are included in the action, non-action verbs. Okay. Non-action verbs means what? Where the no movements, no physical action is going on, but then too they are called non-action verbs. See this. Here we have the examples like feelings and needs. Feel, feeling emotions like love, hate, want, need, prefer, wish, desire. This all comes under the non-action verb. Thought, your thought process. You think, you believe, you imagine, you understand, you know, you guess, your idea. This all comes under the non-action verb. The sense, see, hear, taste, smell. These are the non-action verb. Okay, these are the non-action verb. Now, what is the difference in the action verb and the non-action verb? See, in the first picture, the picture which is upper side, what is written over there? Non-action verb. I see dogs running. I see dogs running. Okay, I see dogs running. Sees, that means you just look. See, that means you are seeing. Only just see. Okay, so that is your non-action verb. Understood what I'm trying to say you? Suppose, suppose immediately you are sitting in an online lecture. Immediately, if someone come in front of you, so you will see who will come. You directly see. You directly point out. So just you have a look. You just see. So that is your non-action verb. Now, downside picture, see, I'm looking at the dog. I'm looking at the, sorry, dogs. I'm looking at the dogs. Now, looking. This is your action verb. This is your action. Because here your perspective, here your desire want to be looking towards the dogs. So here uh, your desire that looking towards the teacher. You want to looking towards the teacher. Okay, so this is your action. Okay, looking, because you want to be look towards the teacher. So looking, it's your action verb. Okay, now suppose someone is come in front of you by chance. Okay, by chance. So your mind should be diverted. So you just see who is roaming here and there. You just see. So see, it's a non-action verb because you don't want a desire to want to see that. You don't want a desire to look and attain to that person. But it's come directly. You just want to be observant that who is roaming here and there. You just see. Okay, so see, it's your non-action verb. Understood? So see this next. Non-action verb express emotions. It shows the emotions. I hate computers. I love computers. It just shows the emotions. Okay. I I hate swimming. Okay. I love to see the movie. So this all are your express emotions. That means non-action verbs. All right. See the next. Hear, taste, smell, sound, feel, see. This all comes under the non-action verb. This all under comes non-action verb. Okay. This tastes spicy. This smells awesome or awful. So all this taste, smells, here, it comes under the non-action verb. Okay, because here the action is doesn't take place. Okay, action is doesn't take place. Your body movements is its physical appearance, it doesn't move. Action, it doesn't take place, but then too something is going on, something action is happening, something action is happening. So this taste spicy, this smell is awesome or awful. Okay, so action is done. So this all are the non-action verb. Okay, now see here student. See here, student, what is the difference in hear and listening? Okay, what is the difference in hear and listening? I'm here towards the, I'm here towards the bird. I'm here towards the bird because you just heard the sound of the words. Okay, if I'm saying I'm listening to the teacher, I am listening to the teacher. Listening. See, student, one second. Here I'm share a whiteboard. See, here, if I'm saying here, here, hear the birds. Okay. And listening, listen to the teacher. The both things are different. Okay. If the sounds comes in your ears, so that means you hear. But if your desire to want to listen to the teacher, if you want to desire to be attentive in the class and what the teacher is saying, I want to be catch that points, I want to learn. So you are listening. That means here your mind is set up, your mind is activate that you want to listen to the teacher, right? So this is your verb. This is your action word. Action word verb. Okay. And here some sound is effect in your ears. You listen some sound. You don't have desire to listening. You just heard. You just heard. Okay. Now only the online lecture is going on. In your background, there are so many sound you can heard. Okay, but you don't want to listen to them. You just heard because your eyes, because your ears are open. Understood? So you just heard. So this is the non-verb. This is the non-verb because non-action, non-verb. Okay. And listen, it comes under the action verb because what's the action? You want to be desired to listen towards the teacher. So with the help of your ears, you listen and your mind is also focused towards the teacher. Understood? So this is the difference of, so this is the difference of Action, one second. This is the difference of action verb and non-action verb. Okay. Once again, students. More examples. See here. I think it's beautiful. Okay, this is a non-action verb. Describe the thoughts. Now, two peoples have the different thoughts. The one people is saying, I think it's beautiful, and another one is disagree. Okay, so this is also comes under the non-action verb. Agree, disagree, understand, remember, believe, think, know, guess the thing, guessing. So these things are comes under the non-action verb. All right. So I hope students that you understand what is the verb, definition of the verb, action verb, that which comes under the action verb and which things comes under the non-action verb. Okay. Everyone it's clear. Okay. Thank you, students.